Welcome to TrendXTech. If you love the outdoors but hate struggling with outdated or unreliable gear, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 15 next-level camping gadgets and gear that can seriously upgrade your outdoor experience, from smarter cooking to better safety and pure comfort at camp. Whether you're heading out for a weekend trip or planning a long adventure deep in the wild, these tools are designed to make life outdoors easier, safer, and way more enjoyable. All the product links are in the description, so you can check prices and details anytime. And if you enjoy discovering cutting-edge outdoor tech like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from TrendXTech. Thermoworks Thermapen 1. The Thermoworks Thermapen 1 is the kind of tool you don't realize you need until you use it once. Picture this. You're grilling at camp, everyone's hungry, and guessing temperatures just isn't an option. This thermometer delivers 1-second instant read accuracy, so you know exactly when your food is perfect. The plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision takes all the guesswork out of cooking, whether it's steak, chicken, or fish. What really stands out is the 360-degree auto-rotating display, which makes it easy to read from any angle, even with one hand. The motion-sensing wake-up feature means it turns on the moment you open it, and the intelligent backlight kicks in automatically at night. Built with IP67 waterproof durability and backed by a 5-year warranty, this is made to survive real outdoor use. If you're serious about camp cooking, or just hate overcooked meals, this is a game-changer. But wait till you see what's coming up next. Eton FRX3 Plus Emergency Radio. The Eton FRX3 Plus Emergency Radio is one of those devices you hope you never need, but you'll be grateful you packed it. Imagine a storm rolling in while you're off-grid, phone battery low, and no signal. This radio keeps you informed with NOAA weather alerts that automatically broadcast emergencies in your area. You can power it 3 different ways using solar charging, a hand crank, or the built-in rechargeable battery, so you're never stuck. Beyond radio, it's a true survival multi-tool. There's a USB port to charge your phone, a built-in LED flashlight, and even a red flashing beacon for visibility at night. The glow-in-the-dark locator makes it easy to find in the dark, and its rugged design is made for outdoor conditions. Whether you're backpacking, camping, or prepping for emergencies, this radio brings serious peace of mind. And the next gadget is all about comfort in the wild. Thermacell Backpacker Mosquito Repeller. The Thermacell Backpacker Mosquito Repeller solves one of camping's biggest problems, mosquitoes, without covering yourself in chemicals. Set it up at camp, and within minutes it creates a 15-foot zone of mosquito protection, keeping bugs away from the air around you, not your skin. There's no DEET, no scent, no smoke, and no flames, which makes it far more comfortable than sprays or coils. Weighing just 4 ounces, it's perfect for backpackers who care about every gram. The repellent mats last up to 4 hours each and even change color when it's time to replace them. It's EPA-reviewed, people and pet-friendly, and powered by a standard camping fuel canister. If you love evenings by the fire without swatting non-stop, this is a must-have. But stay with me. The next item can literally save your gear. Gear Aid Tenacious Tape. The Gear Aid Tenacious Tape is one of those small items that can save an entire trip. Imagine ripping your tent, jacket, or tarp miles from home. This tape lets you fix it in minutes. With ultra-strong adhesive, it bonds permanently to nylon, vinyl, rubber, plastic, and mesh, creating a repair that actually lasts. The waterproof coating means it won't peel off in rain or after washing, making it perfect for harsh outdoor conditions. Each pack includes 2 3 inches by 20 inches strips, giving you plenty of material for multiple repairs. You can choose black or clear depending on whether you want a visible fix or something discreet. Lightweight, compact, and incredibly reliable, this tape belongs in every backpack. And now, let's talk about something every camper truly needs: coffee. GSI Outdoors JavaPress. The GSI Outdoors JavaPress is proof that great coffee doesn't have to stay at home. Waking up at camp and pressing a fresh cup instantly upgrades your entire morning. This 30-ounce French press makes enough coffee to share, while the double-walled insulated lid keeps it hot longer. It's built from BPA-free, shatter-resistant materials, so it can handle real outdoor use. The high-quality press filter delivers smooth, grit-free coffee every time, and the design is simple and mess-free. A. Water-resistant nylon sleeve with a handle protects your hands from heat and makes pouring easy. Lightweight, durable, and reliable, this is perfect for campers who refuse to compromise on coffee. And trust me, the next set of camping gear only gets better from here. Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. The Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill is for those moments when you refuse to settle for basic camp food. Imagine pulling into a campsite, unfolding your grill with one-handed setup, and firing it up in seconds. This grill packs a 13,000 BTU burner, delivering fast heat up and precise temperature control for everything from pancakes to perfectly seared steaks. The enameled cast iron cooking grate holds heat incredibly well, locking in flavor while giving food that classic grilled finish. Despite its power, it folds down into a compact, trunk-friendly design, making transport surprisingly easy. The large grilling surface lets you cook an entire meal at once, which is perfect when camping with friends or family. It runs on portable propane cylinders, but can also connect to a full-size tank with an adapter, giving you flexibility anywhere you go. If camp cooking is serious business for you, this grill turns any outdoor stop into a backyard barbecue. And next up, we're talking shelter done right. Nemo Dagger Osmo Tent. The Nemo Dagger Osmo Tent is what you pack when comfort, space, and weight all matter. Picture hiking all day, then setting up camp quickly without fighting your gear. Thanks to color-coded poles and intuitive setup, this tent goes up fast, even when you're tired. What makes it special is the Osmo poly nylon ripstop fabric, offering 4x better water repellency and far less sag when wet. Inside, the tent feels huge for its class, with 2 large doors and oversized vestibules that make gear storage easy. The DAC Featherlight aluminum poles keep things lightweight without sacrificing strength. It's also built responsibly, using 100% recycled, PFAS-free materials, which is a big win for eco-conscious campers. Durable, spacious, and weather-ready, this tent is ideal for backpackers who want premium performance without extra weight. But staying warm is just as important, so let's talk layers. Patagonia Nano Puff Jacket. The Patagonia Nano Puff Jacket is that one layer you end up wearing everywhere. Early mornings, cold evenings, sudden weather shifts, it handles all of it. The lightweight insulated design traps heat efficiently while still feeling breathable and easy to move in. It packs down small, making it perfect for stuffing into a backpack without taking up space. The full zip design lets you regulate temperature quickly, whether you're hiking uphill or relaxing at camp. Made from durable recycled polyester, it's built to last through repeated trips and rough use. What really makes it shine is versatility. You can wear it as an outer layer in mild cold or under a shell when conditions get rough. Simple, reliable, and incredibly comfortable, this jacket is a go-to for campers who want warmth without bulk. And the next item is small, but insanely useful. Buff Original Multifunctional Headwear. The Buff Original Multifunctional Headwear is one of the most versatile pieces of gear you can carry. One minute it's a neck gaiter, the next it's a headband, beanie, face cover, or sun shield. With 12 different ways to wear it. Made from recycled eco-stretch fabric, it's lightweight, breathable, and dries fast, keeping you comfortable during hikes, climbs, or long days in the sun. The built-in UPF 50 sun protection helps shield your skin from harmful UV rays, which is huge during summer trips. It stretches easily, fits most adults, and works across a wide range of temperatures. Whether you're blocking dust on the trail or staying warm in the morning chill, this little piece of fabric earns its spot in your pack. And now, let's finish strong with a true everyday essential. Benchmade Bugout 535 EDC Knife. The Benchmade Bugout 535 EDC knife is proof that lightweight doesn't mean weak. You barely feel it in your pocket, yet it's tough enough for real outdoor tasks. The CPM S30V stainless steel blade offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it reliable for camping, hiking, or daily use. The drop-point blade design gives you strength and control, while the axis locking mechanism ensures smooth, safe one-handed operation. Its grivery handle is durable, textured, and fully ambidextrous, so it works comfortably for anyone. What really sets it apart is longevity. Benchmade's Life Sharp service keeps your knife factory sharp for life. If you want a dependable, ultralight knife that's always ready when you need it, the Bugout is hard to beat. And trust me, the final set of gear coming up is next level. Zippo Hand Warmer. The Zippo Hand Warmer is one of those small comforts that makes a massive difference when temperatures drop. Imagine waking up to a freezing campsite, hands numb, and slipping this into your pocket for gentle, flameless warmth that lasts up to 12 hours. Its compact metal design feels solid and durable, yet small enough to carry anywhere without hassle. What makes it stand out is that it's refillable and reusable, so you're not constantly buying disposables. The easy fill technology keeps things simple, even outdoors, and the included warming bag and filling cup makes setup quick. Instead of blasting heat, it delivers steady warmth that's comfortable for long periods. Whether you're hiking in winter, hunting at dawn, or just sitting around a cold campsite, this hand warmer keeps you focused on the adventure, not the cold. It's affordable, reliable, and incredibly effective. And next up, we're talking about starting fires the smart way. UST BlastMatch Fire Starter. The UST BlastMatch Fire Starter is built for moments when you need fire, fast. Picture wet ground, cold wind, and numb fingers. This tool still delivers, thanks to its one-handed operation that throws intensely hot sparks exactly where you aim them. Unlike matches, it works in rain and harsh conditions, producing 3 times more heat than standard fire starters. The spring-loaded flint bar rotates 360 degrees for even wear and is rated for up to 4,000 strikes, making it incredibly dependable. A built-in safety cap prevents accidental sparks in your pack, which is a small detail that matters. Lightweight and compact, it easily fits into a survival kit or backpack. If fire means warmth, cooking, or safety to you, this is one of those tools you'll never regret carrying. But shelter matters just as much, so let's level that up next. Kammok Kuhli Weather Shelter. The Kammok Kuhli Weather Shelter is like carrying a customizable roof for the backcountry. One day it's blazing hot, the next it's cold and stormy. This shelter adapts to both. Its heat-reflective interior helps trap warmth on cold nights, while the reversible design can deflect harsh sun during hot days. Built with amphibiscon weatherproof fabric, sealed seams, and reinforced guy-out points, it's designed to handle rain, wind, and snow without flinching. The knotless setup system with line locks and tensioners makes pitching fast and frustration-free. With multiple pitch configurations and toggled storm doors, you can dial in protection exactly how you need it. For hammock campers, backpackers, or anyone facing unpredictable weather, this shelter adds serious versatility. And if things get more rugged, the next tool is all about raw reliability. Esee Knives Izula 2 Fixed Blade Knife. The Esee Knives Izula 2 is small, tough, and built for serious use. When you need a knife you can trust for bushcraft, camp chores, or emergencies, this one delivers. The 1095 high-carbon steel blade is known for strength, edge retention, and easy field sharpening. Its full-tank construction gives you confidence during hard use, while the micarta handle offers a secure grip, even when wet or cold. Weighing just over 3 ounces, it's lightweight without feeling fragile. The included molded sheath with clip plate makes it easy to carry on your belt or pack. This is a knife made for people who value reliability over flash. Simple, rugged, and dependable. And finally, we're ending this list with a serious piece of expedition tech. Garmin Tread Overland GPS. The Garmin Tread Overland GPS is built for explorers who go where roads disappear. Picture navigating remote trails with confidence, even miles off-grid. The massive 8-inch rugged touchscreen is glove-friendly and rated IP67, meaning it's ready for dust, water, and extreme conditions. It offers custom off-road routing, factoring in your vehicle's size to help you avoid risky paths. With preloaded topographic maps, land boundaries, and downloadable satellite imagery, you get incredible situational awareness without needing cell service. Wi-Fi lets you load maps easily, and the detailed display makes planning routes intuitive. Designed for overlanders, UTVs, and serious adventurers, this GPS turns uncertainty into confidence. If your idea of camping involves true exploration, this is the ultimate navigation upgrade, and the perfect way to close out this next-level gear list.